As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we have a mail call. Something we haven't done in a while. We have a mail call from Shorter's Diecast. You guys might know him. Me and him, a little while ago, more like probably a month, have been going back and forth, figuring out a deal and a trade. So me and Mr. Shorter have, like I said, gone back and forth on the 1963 Ford Galaxy, the one that we did for the dibs build for the Diecast Invitational. The photo of it will be probably right there, maybe ish there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Any hoosers, we decided to do a trade, and that trade consisted of a M2 set and some other goodies I wasn't prepared for until now. Disclaimer, I did cheat a little bit, and we opened it early before we did this video, but let's see what he brought to us. So, the first couple things that I pull out of the bag is a clump of cars. So we have an M2 70s Super B in white. We redid one of these a while back. If you guys remember, it was purple. It was a drag car. It wasn't perfect, but it was pretty much this casting. That's really, really cool. The next car we got is a 69 Dodge Charger. You know, here we're giant Mopar crew, so you can't stray away from a 69 Charger, especially when it's not a 500. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of them, but a lot of people are. I like the traditional Dodge Charger, but that's just me. And nextly, we are pulling out this 71 Plymouth GTX, which is very, very cool. I don't think we've done a GTX on the channel, the gold one, but I need to do more of these. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You guys need to let me know down in the comments below what we need to do more of, because I have ideas. It's just, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys want me to build? And lastly, in our little package here, there's two things. I lied. In our package here, we have, one moment, trying not to show his information on the camera, is this giant M2 set. It comes with a 71 Chevrolet van G10 4x4, which is very, very cool, and a 76 Chevy Scottsdale. Very cool setup. He gave me two options when I was picking out what I would want from him, and this was one of them, and another one was a Dodge, I believe it was a Cuda's, like a 70s Cuda set. But I was like, you know what? I don't got a lot of cool truck stuff, and this really, really caught my eye. Plus, I do love a good Chevy truck. That is awesome, man, and that's going into the collection for sure. Lastly, guys, this is something I didn't expect. A wrapped car. It looks like I wrapped it. No idea. I seriously have no idea, so we're going to carefully grab our tool here, and we're going to cut this open carefully, because if it's wrapped like this, it's probably fragile. I would take a guess. So let's see what we got. I see Pepsi. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is, I'm going to take a guess. This is a Shorter's Diecast special. And this thing is awesome. 71 Plymouth Roadrunner, my bad. And it is dragged out with the Pepsi livery. The clear coat's actually really, really thick. This is awesome. Mr. Shorter, thank you very much for everything, and especially this. This is going in the collection for sure. It's cool to have one of your customs, and you have one of mine. So I honestly, I would have just taken this if I knew this. This is awesome, man. I really, really appreciate everything, and I hope we can have some more deals down or in the future. Guys, that's all I got for you today. This was a quick little mail call video, and that's all I got, guys. Some news from the channel. We got a couple new cars coming up. So a lot of you guys probably saw from the Killer of Rock and Roll that me and him are doing a moonshine build, and we are doing another Ford Galaxy. It's a 4-door car. It was a police car, but we're going to convert it into a hot rod of some sort. So this is just the only little teaser you'll get for that. Some other news: we are doing the autism awareness build with the Dibs boys. We're going to be doing an 80s Corvette for that. But other than that, we're just here. We're hanging out. We're doing our thing, and I'm glad that I was able to do a quick little mail call for you guys today. So, Mr. Shorter, thank you very much for everything that's on my desk right now. It will definitely be in use or put into the collection. I appreciate everything, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you guys are all doing well. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.